What is up guys, this is Fusion and watching some random interesting facts, so let's move on to the video. Pizza Hut once delivers the pizzas to the Outer Space International Space Station, which cost them around $1 million. There is a lake in India called Lonar Lake, which is created by a meteor hitting the earth. This lake is believed to be approximately 5,000 years old and the water in the lake never dries up. When Charlie Chaplin received his honorary Oscar, he got 12 minutes standing ovation, the longest in Oscar history. In a Chicago museum, there is a 3,000-year-old Egyptian statue that looks exactly like Michael Jackson. This amazing bridge turns into an underwater tunnel connecting Denmark and Sweden. YouTube has a production space in Los Angeles that is free to use if you have 10,000 subscribers. The water flying onto this elephant looks like an elephant too. To increase sales, the clothing store uses mirror with curved glasses that makes people look taller and thinner. After you die, your brain knows you're dead. It will take 0 to 10 minutes for complete shutdown of your brain activities. One side of the road is Germany and the other is Netherlands. The unique smell of rain actually comes from the plant oils, bacteria and ozone. The camels are the white lines and the black lines are their shadows. Photographer captures bullet splitting a drop of water in two. The pupil of the eye expands when you look at someone you love. A dad creates a YouTube channel called Dad How Do I, where he makes maintenance video for people with no dads. This is how a Coke bottle looks before expanding into a normal size bottle. Grass Globe Illusion in Paris looks like a globe, but it is a flat park. This kid won the first prize in school fancy dress competition. His title was I Argued with My Wife. All birds find shelter during the rain, but eagle avoids the rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but attitude makes difference. Denmark scientist discovers the 2 new species of fungi that turns flies into zombies. At what age did you learn that H-shaped logo of Honda actually represents the handshake? Oreo has constructed an asteroid-proof bunker in Norway to store their recipes and cookies in case of any apocalypse.